And then, doon sa February 2024 CSE na sinalihan ko, ina-expect ko na ako lang yung nag-iisang Elfriend doon. Lo and behold, pagkapasok ko doon sa may event, uy, may kabako pala ako. I am no longer alone.
Hi, welcome back to Kaka Computer, and we're now talking about mga cosplay conventions survival hack. Yeah. Survival hack. Kasi iba sa Philippines ang init, guys.
Yes.
Lalo na right now. We're doing this on like March. We're recording this on March. Anong date ngayon? 7 ba?
Yes,
So
yes.
March. So March na.
7, yes.
Guys, ang init.
Yeah.
And Philippines kasi, it's like mainit, pero biglang uulan.
It's true.
So,
Yes.
Which is today's weather, by the way.
Yes. So, in terms of like con survival, I mean, lahat ng tayo Pilipino. So, we already know that we have to be prepared for the, paano ba? Pagka-bipolar ng weather
Yeah.
natin.
Mm-mm. And yung minsan kasi you have to consider then, say for example, if you're a cosplayer, paano ka ba, how do you get to the venue? Doon ka ba magbibihis? Do you partially dress up? Do you fully dress up before going?
Especially if you are packing yung mga props mo, yung attire mo, yung wigs na kailangan dapat hindi siya masira.
Yeah, that's fair. Mm-mm. Lalo na ngayon parang, di ba, people who have like their wig styled, may mga lagayan sila. Like they have like the case. Like it's not something that you can just shove in your bag or
Yes.
whatever.
Sometimes nga mga maleta yung dinadala ng mga
That's true.
cosplayers in order to travel with their regular attire to the convention, and doon na sila magpapalit.
That's true.
Pero in terms of like con survival kasi, yun nga, Pao mentioned, are you going in as a cosplayer, as a normal person? Are you going in with a group of friends? I think, in terms of like con survival, if you're going in alone, diba? Iba yung kailangan mo i-prepare as compared when you're with friends. And iba pagka, halimbawa, yun nga, may cosplay ka, and it depends pa sa gravity of the cosplay.
That's true. Pero one thing na I think is, at least in a con setting, one of the things that I suddenly remember just now, yung difference ng like Pinoy conventions. I've heard from some friends na nakakapag-attend ng mga cosplay conventions in other countries. Tayo yata, I don't know if it's a Pinoy thing, okay? I don't know if it's a Pinoy thing, pero we have a lot of activities going on. We have a lot of like
that's true.
stage segments happening. Iba para talagang may booths lang and you just vibe, you know? Like, you just go there, meet people, go to the booth, and that's about it. Tayo kasi yung mga yung mga stage segments, yung mga pa-games, pa-raffle, pa-auction, ganon.
Sa Philippines kasi, I feel like conventions, especially regarding sa anime and pop culture, it has become our third place. Like, it's become a place where we can actually be, yun nga, ourselves, tambay. That's why there's a lot of stage segments.
I guess, yeah.
You know, we're gonna stay.
No,
We're gonna stay the whole day.
Also enjoying the same fandom as yours ng mga
Yeah.
with your cosplayers and attendees, usually mga hosts and yung mga guests.
And that's why very important yung mga food na linalagay nila sa cons. So, in terms of like food sa cons, ano yung favorite nyo na laging nandun?
Okay. So I can answer this as a regular attendee.
Yun
Especially regular attendee ako ng major cosplay PH cons. So my favorite food is yung mga kanin na binibenta dun sa stalls. Albeit it's kind of expensive because it's a convention, pero busog ka naman at the end of the day.
For me, more on drinks ata yung sa akin. I'm a big I'm a big attendee for cons na more on fandom. Yeah, so Final Fantasy cons, that's what.
Oh, yung mga niche cons talaga.
So like niche cons, like sa Hello World, ganun, which I was at recently. I remember one drink na I had there. Meron siyang caffeinated na coffee, or parang not like extra caffeinated and extra fizzy na coffee.
Oh, fizzy na
As
coffee.
in carbonated and caffeinated.
Na coffee.
Na coffee.
Uy.
So that was the first time na I've ever tried something like that.
Uy.
It's really cool. And I think yun mostly talaga nahabol ko when it comes to yung booths. Kasi just to share then, I'm mostly a booth goer then. Like nagsaset up talaga ng booths. I help my friends with a lot of those. So when you're on your feet the whole day,
That's
ganon, when you talking to people every single hour, sunod-sunod sila, you need the energy. Talaga.
That's true.
Agree. From a host perspective, parang ako personally, madalang akong gutumin. Especially if at the stage, we were talking about stage segments, and minsan the segment is like one whole stretch. So while we do have like shifts. Parang may mga segment, parang pag kami dito sa segment na to, the next segment, pwedeng iba, pwedeng diretso ka dalawang magkasunod, then after that, ikaw yung pahinga, ganun. But I rarely feel hungry. Parang gusto ko lang lumaklak lang talaga ng
Yeah.
cold drinks. Like really, really cold water, that's bad for you. Wag niyo akong gayahin. That's bad for your throat if you're if you have to talk all day. Pero yun talaga, yun yung kine-crave ng katawan ko. Like anything that's sugary, anything that's sweet, pampa-boost
Pagising,
ng
yeah.
ano. And I think a lot of conventions have that. Yung mga drink stalls na may melon,
Yes.
melon, yung blue
Oh.
lemonade, Milo. Na-imagine ko yung itsura nila
Yung alam mo
right
yung
now.
sa lahat ng cons, yung nandun si Lola, like ate, yun yung booth
yeah.
niya eh. And then yung may
Ah.
rice food siya.
Yun yung binibili ko, yun yung binili ko for the most recent cosplay mania. Doon ako bumili ng ulam ko, and then yun, swak naman, solve.
Oo,
busog
sobrang
naman.
solve yung kay sa kanya.
And kudos for cosplay events for having food na rin inside their
Yes.
their event
Yeah.
venue. Kasi minsan parang, especially for cosplayers, parang ayaw mo nang in your full costume, in your full gear.
Napupunta ka pa sa
Pupunta
mall
ka pa sa
proper.
kabilang side, yeah,
Yes.
just to eat. Pero medyo universal experience to. I'm pretty sure a lot of cosplayers who might be tuned in or listening right now, baka makarelate kayo dito. Guys, parang hindi naman tayo ginugutom sa convention. Pero, once the con is done, right? Nakapag-dress down ka na, that's when it all crashes down.
That's
na
true.
gusto mo na lang mag-samgyup or something. Like, one time, big time kain. Pero yeah, it's very festive. Like, Pinoy conventions are very... I haven't really, I'm not sure about you guys. Nakapag-try na ba kayo mag-booth or mag-attend in other countries na cons?
So, I was planning to be para sa HoloLive Super Expo.
Ooh.
Gusto ko pumunta doon sana, pero circumstances happened. So, ayun. I would like to try to experience cons outside of the Philippines para maiba naman yung experience, because ayun there are some cases na paulit-ulit na lang yung sa mga cons na to, paulit-ulit na lang yung mga segments, yung usually yung mga segments and yung mga attractions. Pero it's not bad per se, pero it's okay naman, it's a breath of fresh air kung maiba naman. Like,
That's true.
punta ka sa mga ibang malls sa mga cons sa kalapit natin na SEA countries, like sa Singapore, AFA.
Yeah.
For instance.
Right. Totoo. And speaking of medyo nagiging, like, minsan the stage segments or whatever becoming repetitive, ano kaya yung magiging effective way for like organizers to learn? I know that some organizers have yung mayroon silang QR, right? At parang may pa-survey sila. And but sometimes, let's face it, minsan parang ano ba ako ng full form, we might be too lazy to How can we do that? How can we let people know what like we can hope for in events other than, let's say, filling out their survey forms?
So, I guess personally for the organizers, I think researching kung ano yung popular fandoms dito. So, for my observation, so quick background lang, when I was in when I attended Cosplay Mania 2024 and 2025, I was also making an Excel spreadsheet ng mga booths na attendees and kung ano yung mga binebenta nila ng mga,
That's
ng mga
really
fan merch.
interesting.
Like,
Yes.
please share with us.
Sige, i-share ko rin sa inyo mamaya yun. And napapansin ko, ang karamihan ng mga fandom is related sa Hoyoverse titles, especially Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail. So, it would probably be effective na to offer or showcase yung a special segment or a special event for that dedicated fandom to attract more patrons. That's from my perspective lang as a con attendee.
Congoer. Yeah. You know what? That's fair.
Feeling ko lang kasi, ang mahirap kasi doon, like, nandun na sila eh. So, like, in the perspective of like an organizer or siguro in business, if you already know that they're doing it organically, why do you need to add like a stage segment to it and then sila organically? So, you have to attract, ito lang like, ano lang to. So, you're gonna try to attract the other niche markets na wala dun sa convention mo. So, ano yung wala dun? And then, yun yung tinatry nilang i-attract. Para mas madami yung tao.
That's
what I feel.
interesting take din naman na established na yung isang fandom. So, and sometimes if it's like a big name or if it's like a big brand or label na nasa isang cosplay convention, sila mismo may sarili silang segment happening in their booth. They have their own takes, they have their
Yeah.
own gimmicks, may games, sometimes meron pa rin silang guest cosplayers na hindi pumupunta sa main stage segment, nandun sila for that particular
And they
booth
get
alone.
content about
So,
it. That is so
yeah.
cute. Ang tawag dito, siguro, like, I've seen, I'm sure you've been in conventions naman for a very long time, but I
Yes.
feel like even since the 2000s, like yung early, nasa high school or college pa tayo, we've seen like the changes of the convention na nag-iiba lang talaga yung fandom.
Yeah.
The mismong event, not so much, but it is better now. I would
Yes.
like to
Much
say.
diverse na siya with the help
Yes.
of yung mga aside from the anime fandoms na paiba-iba kada season, we have yung mga certain games na yung mga iba't ibang mga flavor of the month. So
Flavor of the month.
most likely ngayon
Gusto ko
ang flavor of the month games ngayon for the current fandom is Hoyoverse titles, Genshin, Story Rail. There are some also yung mga popular animes which hindi na ako tumututok nga mostly sa animes I'm more on the VTuber side na, pero there are also yung sa mga VTubers, popular VTubers from certain agencies like especially Hololive Production, Niji Sanji, First Stage Production English, etc.
Right. And interesting kasi they're also trying to be as inclusive as possible. Siyempre, at the end of the day, I don't think any organizer, right, can include literally every
Yes.
single fandom. Pero, kaya rin, I guess, may mga, as you mentioned, may mga niche cons din tayo. We have Toy-Con and, Toy-Con na talagang more on the collectible side, ganun.
And there are also smaller yung mga CSEs kung tawagin yung mga
Yeah.
community-supported events. I recall na sumali ako sa isang Hololive Japan CSE organized by a small community last February 2024. And it probably kickstarted yung more medyo regular attendance ko sa mga conventions. Ako kasi I was an infrequent attendee ako eh. So I attended first attendance ko was Rampage 2014 that was hosted by Garena for League of Legends. Then Rampage 2015 and then wala na, bleak period. Then kung may nakita akong smaller cons, try kong pumasok to explore. And then ngayon, most recently, and when I was into Hololive Production VTubers, nagkaroon ng Hololive Meet that was 2023 sa Cosplay Mania nag-start. And then sumali ako sa 2024 edition. I was able to attend sa Cosplay Mania and yung sa Hololive Meet.
Yeah.
And then most recently sa 2025.
Whether you're a company looking for visibility or a community friend who simply wants to support, every contribution helps us keep delivering episodes twice a week, and even more special features. Check out our sponsorship tiers and join us at patreon.com/kakacomputer.
Yippee! So it goes to show, no, with that kind of trajectory you're sharing sa mga naging experiences mo attending from like community-supported events and the bigger ones, parang inevitable talaga na people end up building a group or like a community, a
Yes.
circle of friends.
Yes.
Na all because you share the same fandom. And I think
Yes.
that's what's nice with like, I don't know if this also happens internationally, we can't really speak for that, but at least in a Pinoy convention setting, parang feeling mo nung una chill lang, you just hi hello lang in conventions. Next thing you know, next con mas nakapagchikahan na kayo.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
And you may have friends na you may have friends along the way rin kasi
the friends we make along the way,
yes,
guys.
ganyan nangyari sa CSE na sinalihan ko way back 2024. Ako kasi I am a fan of a certain VTuber's Hololive production. So si Shiranori Flare, Hololive JP third gen, and ang tawag namin sa fandom doon is the L Friends.
Okay.
L Friends. So umattend ako sa mga con representing Flare as a participant. And then doon sa February 2024 CSE na sinalihan ko, ina-expect ko na ako lang yung nag-iisang L friend doon. Lo and behold, pagkapasok ko doon sa may event, uy, may kabako pala ako. I am no longer alone.
I like that statement, no? That feeling of, uy, I'm no longer alone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Parang suddenly you don't feel like you're, let's face it, if you're in a particular fandom or like niche interest, minsan kapag kasama natin yung general life circle of friends natin, we feel a bit odd one
Yeah.
out,
Yes.
diba? We feel that. That's, I'm sure anyone who can relate to this kind of topic would know that feeling. But when we start going to such events, whether that's an art event, comic event, cosplay event, any other niche events, parang pagkatapak natin sa ganong event, we're like, yo, they're like me, like we're all here to vibe.
Yes.
And I think that's one of the nice things of like going to conventions
It
in
is.
general.
So, dahil nga sa ganun, so we've talked about that, tawag dito, conventions like a third place, and that we enjoy being, parang inclusive siya, and that we parang find somebody else that also enjoy it. Would you say that to survive a con, you need a friend?
I hindi naman necessarily that you need a friend to survive a con. Pwede kung, let's say, yung mga introvert ko, hindi ka sanay na mag-isa ka lang, you may want to pull a friend that shares the same interest as you. Yayain mo siya, punta kayo sa convention, and enjoy your time.
I think for me, not necessarily survive, pero more like, syempre, it's more fun.
It's vibey,
Kapag may kasama ka.
yeah.
It's more fun pag may kasama ka mag-explore, especially, for example, if it's your first time sa venue, no? Or parang first time engaging with this fandom, that fandom. And syempre, it's always nice to have someone that you can ask, uy, may power bank ka ba? May tubig ka ba? The usual things na, the usual things na hinahanap natin kapag all day naglalakad ka na.
Or hindi pang pahawak, let's say, lalo na kung cosplayer ka, pahawak saglit ng bag, wait ng picture lang.
Yun, and someone to
ganun.
guard your stuff, diba? Like,
That's
true.
number one essential talaga, especially if you're like a cosplayer, may dala kang bag. Sometimes yung mga cosplayer na, or booth goers, na mga nagsaset up ng booth na may dala pang carts, ganun.
Maleta, yes.
Those are usually yung
That's
things
true.
na kailangan ingatan, syempre.
Absolutely.
Speaking of like power banks, so yun, alam natin lahat kilate may dalang power bank, like
Yeah,
water
yeah.
bottle, umbrella, whatever. Yun yung usual naman talaga, especially living in the
Yeah.
Philippines.
Oo.
Pero ano yung something na hindi common sa list nyo na dinadala nyo lagi sa conventions?
Common sa list.
I have an answer from the booth building.
Yeah,
side.
sige.
Yung number one na dala namin is some sort of adhesive.
That's
kahit anong
Oo
tape,
nga.
kahit anong blue tack, duct tape, anything na you have, basta kaya
Basta
magdikit ng something, even if not permanently, no? Kasi syempre, we don't want to damage yung venue, we want to take care of the floors. Pero, yun ang laging number one scenario. May nalaglag, may natanggal na piece ng cosplay,
That's
may
true.
kailangan i-tape. Yun ang lifesaver namin.
So,
At least for us.
So sa mga
Interesting.
cosplayers sa conventions, ano pa yung booth nyo?
I have different friends kasi that go around different cons, different booths. Pinaka-common kami sa FF community, no? So if anyone's listening na mahilig sa Final Fantasy or into the Final Fantasy community, no? Stop by or feel free to stop by. You'll see us there.
Let's go!
Okay, for an authentic perspective, ang uncommon talaga. I think this is common pero spare na damit. Spare t-shirts,
Yeah.
That's
pamunas.
interesting.
Kasi you are walking inside the con and obviously mapapawisan ka.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
and especially if you are going to the convention from day to night,
Yeah.
and medyo uncomfortable na rin kapag basa na ng pawis yung yung damit mo. So you might want to bring a spare t-shirt or a spare clothes para just in case na especially kapag just in case natapunan ng drinks yung damit mo when wala ka palang kapalit. So
Do you have?
Na-realize ko, teka, I'm such a bahala na person. Parang wala akong maisip na Pero, I'm not, I don't think this is like super uncommon, but to me, ang important is like, ang tanda, akating ko. Alam mo yung mga ganong,
Mental.
Kasi, it can get very, very warm
Yeah,
in a
and crowded.
sense and crowded, so minsan nakaka-overwhelm. I would also speak on the perspective of being on stage because the lights are also insane, and I sometimes I have segments I have to be on stage for like an hour long, so lalo may some of our games kasi tend to stretch out, so parang I wanna be ready na in case talagang ma-overwhelm ako masyado with the crowd or with the lights. Pagbalik ko ng backstage, medyo, wait lang. I need
Time out
my
muna.
mental. Wait lang.
Time out muna.
Let me just lolla my way out of this. Hold on.
Saan siguro extra bag? Like yung foldable bags.
Oo.
yes, eco bags
Boodles.
din.
Yeah.
Especially kapag you are let's say convention goer ka pero you want to buy yung mga fan arts ng mga booth participants. Eco bag will save you the hassle talaga.
Kasi ang dami mong dala minsan.
Yeah.
Yung stickers lalo na, di ba? Parang you don't want to like go around the con and like
Yes.
end up na tawag dito, mabitawan mo yung mga stickers. Marami na lost and found na nare-report sa lost and found na
mga-
stickers
Yeah,
ha.
that's
Yung mga
true.
the smaller
Yeah.
packaging.
Pero surprisingly, I don't bring it for myself. I bring it for my friends. Kaya,
Thank you, friend.
Uncommon siya kasi I was like, parang I would wear a tote bag kasi.
Oo.
So, lahat ng binibili ko, alam kong kasha siya doon. And
Yeah,
if hindi
yeah.
na magkasha, that means it's out of my budget na.
That's
That's a good budgeting
good,
tip.
So,
You know what?
I bring an extra bag in
You
case
know
I have a
what?
friend na parang hindi nila in-expect na pupunta sila. Kasi normal din naman yun na, uy, punta ka dito ngayon, dito ako ngayon, di ba? Ganun
parang
tayo
napadaan
mag-ayan.
lang.
Oo. Tapos bigla namin binili. I got you.
I got
friend.
you. Savior. Savior. Hanapin ko nga si Diana next time nasa kon. Baka may bag siya.
Mas malaki yung bag mo sa akin na every time nagkakon ko. What do you mean?
Puno naman ng gamit yun.
Fair.
Ng extra for other things. So kapag wala, ganun ba yun? Kapag wala kang extra dalang bag, hindi ka pwede bumili. Parang kung budgeting technique mo yun, I don't have an eco bag with me, I can't buy.
Uy, ano siya, legit, tawag dito,
Legit.
excuse siya. Yeah.
Saka kung wala kang eco bag, takbo ka lang sa department store, buy an eco
Hala,
bag.
may walang excuse sa budol.
Takbo ka sa department store, buy an eco bag, go back to a convention, problem solved.
And may mga artist alley artists who actually sell ng mga
Yes,
tote
mga tote
bags
bags,
na.
mga artistic tote bags.
Artistic
yes.
tote bags. So that's interesting.
Nako, favorite ko pa namang linya sa akin yun na, di ba they ask you, uy, baka gusto niyo pa po ng sticker? Ay, hindi na kasha eh.
Wala na. Sticker na hindi na kasha.
Hindi
Wala na masisiksik. Ganun na po karaming binili ko. Eh, wala na masiksik.
Pero interesting din kasi, like, sobrang, tawag dito, ang daming artists na ngayon as compared to before.
Yes.
Like, I'm not sure if you have attended, like, older conventions. I don't remember kung anong brand yun. Yung meron pang mga shirt na they have, like, quotes. Yun pa yung mga binibenta sa conventions.
Yeah.
Wala pang artist, wala pang anime merch. And then yung cosplayers natin, nagkakalat. Dati kasi, uso sa Robinsons Manila. Mag-convention.
Yeah.
So, andun tayo sa mga veranda ng mga Robinsons Manila na nagpipicture-picture na kung ano-ano.
Tapos what I appreciate about sa mga artist alley sections ng events now, parang wala nang, like, any art style goes. It can be a silly doodle and people would still buy it, would still
Yes.
love it. Sometimes even the silly doodles yung
Yeah.
pumapatok. So something as simple like a silly doodle of like, poorly draw my favorite character, yun pa yung mas nagiging bet ng mga people. And artists na nagbo-booth for Artist Alley, they've become more and more creative din sa mga booth gimmicks nila. Like may mga
Gacha
pagacha na
pods.
sila
Yes,
dyan.
Gacha machines.
Tsaka yung meron silang, I've seen some na para siyang plant, para siyang, it's a square na lagay, tapos may mga plants. So gacha style siya, pero you pick a plant. Basically. And I'm like, tapos may corresponding number siya sa ano mo.
Sa totoo lang kaya napapadami ako ng gastos dahil sa lahat sila
Yung
may
ganun,
gacha na.
diba? Yung parang gusto mong i-support yung
Yeah.
gimmick nila.
Yes.
I don't even like kung ano yung makukuha ko, but that's fine. Because I was like, I bought a gacha. I'm happy with that. May binuksan ako.
Meron pa akong isa nakita before, talagang you have to fish it out. Meron silang, like a
that's
charm,
so
yung mga acrylic charm. So, gacha na acrylic charm siya. Tapos meron, they really hand you a small fishing rod. Tapos talagang, tapos yung ano niya, yung water niya is just, mga parang tore down,
Paper?
yeah, crepe paper na parang punit na blue, different shades of blue, punit-punit lang. Tapos you have to fish yung hook, kailangan mo i-ganon sa hook nung acrylic para maano mo siya. They give you tips naman, pero ganun yung approach. So, gives more of that whole con vibe na hindi ka lang basta umiikot to look like parang tingin-tingin lang. Minsan
Window shopping lang.
mapapatigil ka with shocks, ano yung gimmick nito. Which makes cons very,
enjoyable,
in
unique.
spite
Last
and
question ko. Tipid tips. Tipid hacks.
Wala. Alis
Sa
na,
convention.
wala na guys, bye-bye. Dahil na po yun.
Like,
tips.
how do you not go over a budget when going to conventions?
Wala.
Ooh. on my end, siguro I'll speak for my artist friends then. Kasi a lot of them also go around sa friends nila, sa other booths. Syempre, all the artists sort of know each other, diba? So, syempre, mapapabili din sila.
Support, ganun.
Ang number one tip nila lagi, pag pupunta ka ng con, make sure na alam mo yung budget mo, number one. Pero number two, yun lang yung dadalhin mo. Parang, iwas temptation lang na tumakbo sa ATM, mag-withdraw bigla. Para at least, at the end of the day, masaya ka na nga dun sa experience, masaya ka pa sa natira sa wallet mo. Diba?
That's good.
That's one of, it's like yung tip kanina na magdala ka ng tote bag.
Yeah.
Diba? Tapos kapag
Yun
hindi
na
na
yun,
kasha,
yun na yung sagot niya, guys.
Same thing with the budget, I think. I think that would really help. Especially pag like first time con goer ka, ganun. I know na sometimes it can be overwhelming. Yan, I've
Or
heard,
exciting.
Diba? Super
Na-excite
exciting,
ka
super
sa stuff,
overwhelming,
yeah.
daming tao, daming pwedeng tingnan, diba? And I think it sort of helps you keep in mind na, okay, these are the things na gusto ko i-focus on. These are
Yeah.
the things I really want, diba?
Ah.
And yun, that's where you could spend most effectively, I think.
That's
sa budget
true.
mo.
Disiplina.
Yeah.
Meron pa ako isa. Sa akin kasi, don't buy on your first ikot sa
Yes,
Exactly. I was about to
actually.
go this. I was
Ikot
about
ka-
that was my exact tip.
Go around.
Parang you have in-note mo na lang yung what I do that personally as
Mm-hmm.
well. I open my notepad. Tapos ino-note ko yung booth na parang basta kapag wala na akong ibang binili, babalikan ko to. So meron akong naka-tier list. Meron akong tier list na parang okay, sometimes kasi may certain merch tayo na we see na I will adjust everything else, makuha ko lang tong merch na to. So, pag ganun yung naging feels, naging feelings ko for a certain merch, I'll get that na.
Yeah.
Tas, sige, I'll not get anything else. Pero let's say wala naman akong ganun, edi balikan natin yung list. Pero sobrang agree ako doon, guys, not on your first ikot. Because the next thing you know, like pumunta ka, lalo na, di ba sa mga layout ng conventions, pag ganyan siya eh. It's
Pag
very
ganyan siya,
isaw.
madadaan.
Saka
mo
it's
talaga
very
lahat.
easy to impulse buy rin eh.
Yes. Na parang, if you bought a couple of stuff from this side, pagdating mo dito,
Sa kabila,
biglang
wala na.
may mga bet ka pa pala, edi,
Yeah.
Naubos na yung
RIP
budget
wallet.
mo. So, related to that, ang tipid tips ko dyan is plan ahead your purchases. So, nasabi ko kanina, I have an Excel spreadsheet ng mga exhibitors and yung mga exhibitors na tinitweet nila sa Twitter, yung mga kung ano yung mga ina-exhibit nila, yung mga fandoms na fan merch for that. So, ginagawa ko is pinaplano ko kung ano yung mga booths na pupuntahan ko and kung ano
That's
yung mga
good.
ano yung mga
Yeah.
yung mga bibilhin ko.
Two sides of the coin to eh. No? Ito yung chaotic.
And additionally, set your budget limit na rin.
Yeah.
So be financially responsible rin sa
Responsibly.
sa pagpunta rin sa convention. So that doesn't mean na pumunta ka na convention so you get to blow your budget out.
Yeah.
So be financially responsible rin sa mga gusto ninyong bilhin. So supporting with monetarily is okay naman. So but supporting with word of mouth pagdating sa mga artists like, oh, I love your fan merch for
Laking
this.
boost na yun.
It's already reassuring sa kanila. Ay, maganda pala yung ginagawa
That's
ko na
true.
ginagawa kong fan merch for this. So matuloy ko nga to.
That's good, yeah.
And additionally, bago kayo pumunta doon sa conventions, it's wise na kumain na rin kayo sa bahay para makatipid na rin kayo sa pagkain. And also bring some bottle of water and konting snacks, konting biscuits. It will take a long way sa pag-ikot mo sa conventions.
True.
That's
Yeah.
true.
And I think related dun sa, sa what we're talking about right now, and yung sa kanina, how you prepare, how you sort of budget for it. I think that's why one of your essentials, especially for a first-time Concor, always have a copy of your map. Ganyan,
Oh,
like
that's
map of the
true.
convention, especially if you plan on going to Artist Alley, all of your names will be there, all of the booth numbers will be there, regardless of kung physical siya or digital, you can make your notes on it, you can check out, okay, sino yung babalikan ko, sino yung nadaanan ko na. It's really helpful, diba? Especially if if it's a venue na parang first time mapupuntahan.
First time, yeah. So con responsibly and at the end
Enjoy
of the day,
responsibly.
enjoy
Yeah,
responsibly. Con responsibly, enjoy responsibly.
Survive the con.
Survive the con, and just generally have a good time, guys. Masaya mag-convention.
Yes.
Again, so if you're on the fence pa of attending, kasi feeling nyo overwhelming, tara na. That's her. That's
Kami
her
na lang
budol.
invite nyo.
Kami na yan.
Thanks to our sponsors, Agora, Tutorials Dojo, Young CTO, Amazon Web Services User Group Philippines, and Facebook subscribers. On to our next episode.